start. But now, sir, on the eve of the elections of the Rajya Sabha, the assembly was dissolved for the interest of the party in power at the center stop. Therefore, it is totally exercised for the benefit of the party here stop. That is not only in this case but also in other areas stop. I am to remind the House that the government is not serious about the elimination of terrorism in Kashmir stop. Sir, they thought that the state government is not competent to deal with the situation effectively stop. But what do we see now stop? President's rule has totally failed to arrest the situation stop. Rather, it has escalated during the period of president's rule stop. Sir, for the last 1 year, it has been reported in the press, more than 2,000 people have been killed by the terrorists stop. Since January alone, 750 innocent people have been killed by the terrorists stop. What steps have been taken by the government stop? What steps have been taken by the concerned authorities in Kashmir stop? This has been allowed to continue stop. At the same time, as far as this House is concerned, it has given adequate powers, even more powers, to the government to deal with the situation stop. The parliament has passed large and armed the government with arbitrary powers stop. We have approved the steps to be taken under Article 349 of the Constitution stop. More than that, our Constitution has been amended stop. As far as the Parliament is concerned, it has done its best stop. But as far as the government is concerned, there is no improvement stop. The situation is not at all improving stop. I would like to know what has happened to the decisions stop. So many decisions have been taken in this House stop. It was decided that a security belt should be created stop. Has the government created that belt or not stop? The nexus between Pakistan and the terrorists should be broken stop. Now, what steps have been taken by the government so far to break this nexus between the terrorists and Pakistan stop? We always blame that Pakistan is aiding, giving training and giving shelter to terrorists stop. There is no difference of opinion on that stop. But what measures have been taken by the government to check all these activities of the terrorists stop? You are acting like the common people stop. You are also saying the same thing what the common people say stop.